Now here the question is, a line y equals mx plus 3 meets y-axis at 0, 3, which is E. The arc of parabola y square equals 16x when y lies between 0 to 6 at the point f, x0, y0, and the tangent to parabola at f intersects the y-axis at g, 0, y1. The slope m of the line is chosen such that the area of triangle EFG has a local maximum. Then we need to find the correct match. So first we'll draw this figure. So we have this parabola, which is y square equals 16x, and then we have this line y equals mx plus 3, which intersects y-axis at this point E, which is 0, 3, and this parabola at point F, which is x0, y0, and we know that for this parabola value of a is 4. So we'll take this f in terms of parametric coordinates. So that is 8t square, 4t square, and then 2at. So it is 4t square, 8t. Now it says tangent at f intersects y-axis at g. So tangent at f intersects y-axis at this point g, which is 0, y1. So we can write equation of tangent in terms of parametric coordinates. So equation of tangent will be ty equals x plus at square, so which is 4t square. Now this point g, it lies on y-axis, so we'll put x as 0, we'll get y as 4t. So value of g is 0, 4t. Now we'll write area of this triangle EGF. So area of this triangle EGF will be half, and then this distance, which is 3 minus 4t, and then this height, which is actually equal to its x coordinate, that is 4t square. So we'll get this area as 2 and then 3t square minus 4t cube. Now we'll need to maximize this area. So we'll differentiate. So if I'll differentiate, we'll get d delta upon dt. So it'll be 2 and then 6t minus 12t square is equal to 0. So we'll get the value of t as either 0 or 1 by 2. So this is minus, plus, and minus. So we have a local maximum when the value of t is 1 by 2. So in this case, value of t should be 1 by 2. So what is the value of g? So g will be 0, 2. So that means y1, it should be 2. Now what should be f? F is 4t square, so which is 1, and then 8t, which is 4. So x0, it is 1, and y0 is 4. And if we have to find slope of this line, so what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is, so we know that this point is 1, 4. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So value of m is 1. So this small m, it is mapped to 1, which is option number 4. Maximum area, so we'll just need to put the value. So we'll put the value of t as 1 by 2. We'll get this value as 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So it'll be simply 1 by 2. So maximum area will be 1 by 2. Y0, so maximum area, it is 1 by 2. What's y0? Y0 is 4. And what's y1? Y1 is 2. So it should be 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. And that's your option number A.